Customer Success Manager career path, skills, and responsibilities. Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a Customer Success Manager? Or maybe you're curious about the skills you need, the responsibilities you'll handle, and where this career can take you. Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Customer Success Managers, what they do, the skills they need, and how you can build a thriving career in this field. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a Customer Success Manager, or CSM? Simply put, a CSM is the bridge between a company and its customers. Their job is to ensure customers are not just using the product or service, but succeeding. This means guiding customers through onboarding, helping them unlock the full potential of the product, and ensuring they see real value. Think of a CSM as a coach, a consultant, and a problem solver all rolled into one. Now, let's talk about what a CSM does. Their responsibilities can vary, but here are the core ones. 1. Onboarding, helping new customers get set up and comfortable with the product. 2. Training, teaching customers how to use features they might not be leveraging. 3. Proactive support, anticipating issues before they arise and solving them. 4. Building relationships, regularly checking in with customers to review their progress and ensure they're on track to meet their goals. 5. Driving adoption, encouraging customers to use more features or upgrade their plans. And of course, the ultimate goal is to create what's called vendor lock-in, making sure your customers are so successful with your product that they can't imagine leaving. So, how do you measure success as a CSM? Here are the key metrics. Net Promoter Score (NPS). This measures how likely your customers are to recommend your product. Churn rate, the percentage of customers who stop using your product. A good CSM keeps this number low. Renewal rates, ensuring customers renew their subscriptions or contracts. Upsell and cross-sell targets. While CSMs aren't salespeople, they often have goals to sell additional features or upgrades to existing customers. Now, let's talk about the skills you'll need to thrive as a CSM. This role is a mix of technical know-how and people skills. On the technical side, you'll need to understand the product inside and out. While most companies provide training, having a solid foundation in the industry or product type is a huge plus. On the soft skills side, you'll need to be a great communicator, an active listener, and a problem solver. Presentation skills are also key, as you'll often be explaining data and insights to your customers. And let's not forget coaching, helping customers see how they can improve their business using your product. One of the best things about being a CSM is the career growth opportunities. Here are a few paths you can take. 1. Leadership roles. Move up to become a Customer Success Director, Head of Customer Success, or even Chief Customer Officer. 2. Technical roles. Transition into roles like Solutions Architect or Solutions Engineer, where you'll focus on creating custom solutions for clients. 3. Sales roles. Use your client-facing skills to move into growth-focused roles like Account Manager or Sales Executive. And don't forget, the CSM role goes by many names like Technical Account Manager, Client Success Manager, or Solutions Consultant, so keep an eye out for those titles too. So, does a career as a Customer Success Manager sound like the right fit for you? If you're excited about helping customers succeed, solving problems, and building lasting relationships, this could be your dream job. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.